Hello my cuties, subscribe to my channel Unfiltered Hina and don't forget to like and share.
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?